Hey guys, it's Her.ARTIST and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be drawing Amanda Khamkaew, a super popular Instagram model. Now I've probably completely butchered her last name, so please forgive me. After having done some research, it appears that she was born and raised in Sweden, and that's also where she's currently based. However, her last name suggests that she is either fully or partially of Thai descent. She has over 1.5 million followers on Instagram, and considering the fact that Sweden's population is a mere 10 million, that is very impressive. What I like about her are her big and bright eyes with these very long luscious eyelashes, which make her look really feminine. I also like the freckles on her face. I think that they really stand out, and I will do my best to capture them well in my drawing. Furthermore, she's got these very beautiful and shiny lips, and since I'm quite good at drawing lips, I will be able to show off my skills today, which I'm really excited about. Now, before I start drawing this girl, I've noticed that most of you guys have yet to subscribe to my channel, so please do so if you want to see more art videos of beautiful models. Furthermore, if you've got any suggestions on which model I should draw next, please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'm thinking that this drawing will turn out well, so please watch and enjoy the video, and let me know what you think of the end result.